In this short video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram limit problem easy and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem is open the settings on your phone like this, and then scroll down and go to the apps, and then all what you have to do is simple. Just wait a few seconds right here, and then go to the apps, and now it will start loading this page. So all what you have to do is wait a few seconds, scroll down until you find the Instagram app, click on it, and then click on storage. Click here on this option after it show for you, and then go back. Now click on force stop, and then click on this data usage, and make sure to enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Now all what you have to do is reopen Instagram and the problem is gonna be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.